Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Michael.
And we've got something pretty significant here. What is going on? What's with these?
So it's not an epicest epic unboxing.
But it is definitely in the epic realm.
But it definitely is. So we had a delivery from Armaguard this morning of various Perthmin products. Look, they're basics. They're the everyday stuff that we like to stock. Some of it we haven't had in for a little while. But it's good just to see like the deliveries we get at times. Because there's about $1 million worth of product here.
And that was what caught my ear. I was like, $1 million? Let's open that on camera.
So I thought let's just have a play around with it. Open it up, see what's in there, have a look. It'll get you to see what $1 million worth of gold actually looks like. So a few people are aiming to have $1 million worth of gold in their stack. This is what your stack could be. And if you buy it all at once, we can even have it delivered to your door like this. And I have to say it's a horrendous way to get it delivered because
It's not easy to open, is it?
they never are.
I was not prepared for the difficulty of this.
It's probably me.
No, it doesn't look quite easy. So it looks like it's a bag and a box and probably more boxes in there.
Yeah, this one's the harder of the two, which is why I started with this one. Alrighty. And inside this bag is a box, and inside this box will be more boxes.
So it's very much. You know what we should do next time? We should make a bit of a pass the parcel situation.
That's right. Come in a BN and play pass the parcel with us.
The winner gets a free ounce of silver.
Yeah, that's the one. You realise I'm going to throw all this rubbish all over the floor in your studio.
Yeah. What else is new?
And then I'm just going to walk out.
Yeah, what else is new? That's standard, isn't it?
All right. What do we got in here?
Ooh.
Oh, these are Ruben's favourites.
Why? What are these?
I can't remember. He calls them something. They're the inside, like they're 2-ounce tubes. They use these little marshmallows. Ruben calls the inners. They use these marshmallows as packing to stop the coins rattling around inside the tube. And these are obviously what the marshmallows come in.
Yeah, so this is like a cutout of those.
Yeah. So, alrighty, now we're getting somewhere.
Satchel number 1. Do you have any assumptions of what might be in this?
Nah. I know what's in the overall bags, but as to what's in each section, they label a mixed product, so they don't even give you a hint.
That doesn't make it easy. Come on.
Alrighty. So we've got some kangaroos. So these are 1/10. These will be quarters. They'll be quarters. These will be emus. So we've got some emus back in stock.
Very nice. They sold out pretty quickly, didn't they?
They did. Yeah, no, they're all kangaroos. And these will be platinum kangaroos. Yes, they are. So they're back in stock. That'll be the odds and sods that they couldn't fit in something.
And now box number 2.
guys.
Again, no clues on the front of this box. Only one way to find out. Oh, I like that packaging. That's quite nice.
All various sizes of... They really are. They've really mixed and matched. So these are 1/10 tigers. So these will be quarter kangaroos, I believe.
You're not wearing your glasses today, I noticed.
It's not the glasses, it's the flipping plastic that's getting in the way. Yeah, they're kangaroos. So quarter kangas. Quarter kangas. What are these? They're 1/10, more 1/10 kangaroos. Quarter kangas. These will be half somethings. Oh, good grief, let's go with this one instead. Half kangaroos. And half-ounce tigers.
Very nice. That's a really good spread, that one.
So that's a bit of a mix and match of all sorts of strange creatures.
Couple more boxes. The second last box for the first bag.
These are 1 ounce nuggets. So these are Little Hero golden nuggets. Super Pits. So we've got more super. Whoops, they're upside down.
Hey,
More Super Pits in stock,
beautiful.
which is good. And more 1 ounce kangaroos in stock,
Oh,
which is
beautiful.
good to see.
Wait, this is a full restock, actually, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. We over-ordered, so so Perth kind of said, how about, because usually what they do is they send them out in individual bags, but they sent me an email to say we're going to be here. They can only send out so many bags per day because of their insurance, and they can only send out so many bags per company per day. And with the order that we put in and the various back orders that we had put in, they said, look, we can keep sending these things out for the next 6 months, or we can just get an Armaguard delivery straight in for you.
There
so
we
we
go.
went, yeah, we'll go the Armaguard way.
And that's how we ended up here.
That's right. So these are more emus. Oh, it's good to see the emus back in stock. I was a bit worried about those. And these will be platinum kangas. So they are back and firing again. All right, that's one bag down.
Bag number 1. Now, bag number 2.
I wouldn't sit that close, mate. I've got a knife in the hand.
Oh, yeah. That's a good point. I was a little bit distracted by the product.
Alrighty. And another box within a box. I really like that they shrink wrap these things.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Drives me nuts though.
That's the first time I've seen these shrink wrap.
It's another mixed product. Geez, we have a tough job, don't we?
Yeah, it's a bit of a hard life.
It's like Christmas every other day. This one's a small one, but an interesting one. So these are 10 gram kangas. So the Kanga bars. So for those that haven't really seen minted bars before, this is how they come in boxes of 25. And then they look like that. So they're really neat actually because they come in this really neat packaging. But on the back, you get this bit of a blurb on what they are. So you can see here, gold content. And I really don't have my glasses on. So it gives it to you in troy ounces. So it's 0.320 troy ounces. Fineness of 4 nines. And then minimum weight of 10 grams. And then it's got a serial number. So a lot of the superannuation funds like these because they can track each individual or account for each individual one. The bars aren't numbered, but the packaging is numbered. And it's not that Perth Mint keep a track of, we sent, bullion now, bar Charlie 101391. It's just printed on them all, but it gives the Superannuation Funds Administration chance to say, okay, well, we've got these 20 bars, and these are the various numbers in them, so they can actually allocate it to them. Doesn't mean you can't hold them in your own personal stack. It's just the super funds like them. The other reason, and we've done this on video before, the other reason this packaging is good is it's called tamper-evident packaging. So you can see now it's all clean. If I actually attempt, and I'm not going to.
Oh yeah, I was a little worried for a second.
No, but if I attempt to open this packaging at all, you'll actually find the words void come up all around here. And that doesn't mean that the gold is bad or anything along those sort of lines. It just means Perth Mint saying this package has been opened since it left the mint. We can't guarantee that what is in there is actually what we put in there. So that's where you need someone operating an XRF or anything along those sort of lines. But because it's in its nice sealed packaging, no void written on it, we know that it's all good stuff straight from the Perth Mint.
But if you do happen to need someone with an XRF, I happen to know a very good company called Bullion Now. Come in and see us if you need your precious metals tested.
That's right. And here we go. We get the whole range here. So they were 10 grammers. These minted bars go all the way down to 1 gram, and we actually took in, and it's not in this video, but we actually just got in 400 or 500 of the 1 grammers. And then they go in various sizes all the way through to the 10-ounce bar.
Now that is cool. I have not seen one of these bars this big.
The only problem I have with these bars is that they don't fit in these boxes. So you don't have anything to stack them up in like that.
Look, I will admit we do seem to have some pretty good problems.
Yeah, well,
realistically.
It's the OCD kicking in.
Yeah, fair.
So there's at least 3 of those in stock. So if you were waiting for them, and a good old favourite, one that Ruben's been swearing and cursing about because I haven't had them in.
Hey.
Wouldn't you like to get that in the post?
Yes, absolutely.
So there's a bag of 54 1-ounce Perth Mint cast bars in.
Beautiful. Well, there you go. That's our selection for today. Quite a lot.
And there's more.
Oh, there's more?
This is why we have to keep checking every little individual piece of packaging that comes through. Because there's always more.
There you go.
And that bag's actually split open, so we'll have to pull everything apart to make sure that we got everything out of there.
Well, there you go. That's a $1 million unboxing right there. Thanks for showing us that one there, Michael.
No worries.
And we will see you in the next one.
See ya.